Hey everybody, I wasn't going to use my notes, but I decided to. I was going to use my notes, but I decided not to because it's kind of hard to explain how to use the notes. Explain how to get the notes and then, get them at the same time. Like I have to use the notes and get them. Also, I'm going to have to, exit out of the notes, and y'all are going to be like, what do we do? If y'all don't really understand how to do it and I can't explain it to you, that's just gonna be horrible. So, yeah. Also, one sec, because this video thing is, in a horrible spot. Sorry. Okay, so now I'm back, and the first thing you need to do is double tap Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. I don't really know which one you guys use. I'm just going to use Internet Explorer because that one's faster for me. I don't really like it, but it goes faster than my Google Chrome. So, yeah. So, you want to type in cute notes for, by the way, I'm waiting a second just in case y'all are typing it with me. Y'all just listening to my voice. So, cute notes for Windows. It's not a certain Windows. I should put Windows free. So, it's you could use, a lot of them. If you're on Google, it's, the first link. But since I'm on here, I'm pretty sure if you're on Google, it's the first link. But since I'm on here, I have to look at it. And if it's not, and y'all are on Google, it's called Cute Sticky Notes, free download for Windows 10, 7, 8/8.1. And it's a lot of stuff. I'm pretty sure it says 64 bits. I've looked into this, trying to make sure everything's, Gucci. So, yeah. There's a lot of different colors. You can't choose the colors. It just goes by, the note color. So then, sorry, I'm going off task. I'm trying to just explain it. So then you press free download. I know it says this random stuff blah 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 downloads. That's just random stuff, so you don't need to look at that. I know y'all press run, but you have to press save first. Because it doesn't work if you just press run. I didn't notice that, but it actually does it. And then press run. Because I don't press save. I pressed run and it wasn't working. I was confused. I press yes. I know some of you press no. Just press yes. When it says the hard drive thing, press yes. Because some of y'all press no and I'm guys, it's not going to work as well. So then you just basically follow these buttons. Because it's not going to have the same words. Just follow these buttons I do. Next. Except I don't really look at it. I don't need to. I already know what's going on with it. I already looked into it just in case it's not good for a YouTube video. And then whenever it's done on 100%, press finish. I didn't pay attention to that, and it actually didn't do anything to my computer, so I'm sorry if it does something to yours, but it didn't do anything to mine. So I press open. And don't pay attention to this. Don't actually double click this, because then you're going to do it again. That got me confused. And X out of this, you don't need that. And then bring up your files. Go onto desktop. I thought it'd be downloads, and I kept re-downloading it, again and again. And then, see, here you go. So, let's say my voice was off. I was hi, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And you can actually make lists. What? You can make a make to-do list. I used this on my last one I made when I was using the notes, but, I looked crazy because I had to shut down the notes and then, blah, 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 all this. You were probably going to get confused. So I used this. I was the first thing you do is get on Google or Internet Explorer, type blah blah blah, and there's B, and you can use all of them down to Q, I think. Oh my gosh, do you see how long this is, guys? Like, this is one of the best notes I've ever seen on YouTube. And then they turn into numbers. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice. Okay, I'm not doing it because I feel like it's going to go all the way to 100. So I haven't got this note color yet, and I'm sad that I have to skip it. I'm sorry. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up, and smack that subscribe button for future videos. Hope you enjoy, guys. Bye!